Hello students, how are you? This is 11 biology practical number 8 to study effect of light on rate of photosynthesis. Okay, aim of this experiment is to study rate of photosynthesis under different intensities. Okay, principle for this practical is intensity of light is one of the main principle limiting factor of photosynthesis process in the green plant. Efficiency of photosynthesis by light is action spectrum in terms of O2 bubbles evolution. Okay, this is principle. Then requirement for this photosynthesis practical is 500 ml beaker, then funnel which is having short tube, then test tube, glass rod, hydrilla plant. हायड्रिलाच्या छोट्या छोट्या ट्विग्स मिळतात त्या या एक्सपेरिमेंट साठी उपयोगी पडतात. डिस्टिल वॉटर, stopwatch, 25 watt, 60 watt and 100 watt of electric bulb and table lamp. 0.1% KCO3 solution can be added for CO2 dissolving. Okay, this is figure for this experiment. See here, this is table lamp and the second apparatus is kept keeping some distance between two. This is table lamp and we have to change the electric bulbs by different intensity, 25 watt, 60 watt and 100 watt. Okay, this is for checking the different intensities for different readings. Okay, the second apparatus set here, see, there is one beaker. So the procedure starts here. Take one beaker, or you have to make the 3 sets of experiment having one beaker, conical flask, hydrilla plant and different light intensity electric bulb of 25 watt, 60 watt and 100 watt. Okay, you can make 3 sets or you can make only one set and you have to change 3 type of intensity electric bulbs. So the experiment, the second step in this experiment is fill this beaker with distilled water and the water should be up to 2/3 mark. See here, this is the marking for water and fill and take some fresh hydrilla twigs. You have to obtain hydrilla twigs, cut their ends and use them in the conical flask. Take some hydrilla twigs, then insert the cutted end. See here, I told you the cutted ends inside the neck of funnel. It should be inside the neck of funnel. Neck is at upward side. See here. The conical flask place here like this. The neck of funnel is at upper side. So the cutted end of hydrilla twigs should be at upper end of neck of that conical flask. Okay. Then in next step, ensure that funnel tube below the level of water of the beaker. See here, it is below the water level of beaker. Okay, place like that. Then add few ml of 0.1% of KHCO3 solution. KHCO3 means potassium bisulfite solution. This is required 1% and in small amount. So add this solution to the beaker. Okay. Then invert a graduated test tube filled with water over the neck of funnel. Okay, neck of funnel is here and you have to keep this test tube over the neck of the funnel, and test tube should be filled with distilled water also. Okay, then under different light intensities 25 watt, 60 watt and 100 watt, observe the oxygen bubble evolution in that test tube. See here, there is the bubble are arising in the test tube from funnel. Okay, the bubbles are, we see here oxygen bubbles, and we can count this oxygen bubble per unit time, and we have to record the readings under different intensities. See here, this is observation table. We have to put the readings per minute under different intensity of light 25, 60 and 100. We get these reading 8, 12 and 20. So you see here, you can get this point that under 100 watt, that is under high frequency of light, the rate of photosynthesis increases and we get the more oxygen bubbles. You see here, there are 20 bubbles. More bubbles are seen. Okay. So from this observation table, we get this inference. What you have to write the inference? You have to write the rate of photosynthesis increases with the light intensity. This is inference, and the rate of intensity increases with the increasing rate of photosynthesis. They are all depending on upon one another. Okay, so the O2 evolution is depend on that, and they are created in this experiment. This is inference. Students, you have to write all this inference, observation, procedure, diagram and aim of the experiment. Okay, then what we observe in this experiment, the observation is evolution of bubbles from cutting ends of Hydrilla plant. Place in the setup of different intensities, then count the number of oxygen bubbles, and in each set, if you have prepared the 3 set or 1 set, then take record that reading according that, and count the number of bubbles. They may be 8, 12, 20 or 30, whatever, and this is the observation for this practical. Okay, so I told about aim, principle, requirement, figure, observation table, inference and observation and procedure of this practical. Okay, so this is about the rate of photosynthesis. So student, if you like the video, then you check my published videos and subscribe our channel. Put the comment in the comment box.